All right, so now I'm going to show you guys tactics that aren't using product research tools. The product research tools are great, don't get me wrong, but there are also ways to be successful and find product opportunities without doing these tools. I actually found the Eclipse glasses through literally an email that I got from a supplier that I had talked to previously. So just what to expect in here. So basically, I want to teach you guys how to use Pinterest because I think it's a very valuable tool to really understand a niche market, okay? Because it has a visual search engine and it'll show you things that are algorithmically similar. So definitely make sure to watch that one out. But that is advanced. You don't need to necessarily use it. But I just want to give you guys the whole tool belt so that you can just learn all the different ways to explore and get around. Also using Etsy, looking at finding things. So if you look at Etsy, you're going to be able to find things that are selling that might not be selling on Amazon yet, and there's a demand for it, but it's just the market's not, people haven't innovated in it yet. Then also same with Kickstarter. Like if you would have used Kickstarter, you could have found out about the fidget spinners in about 6 months before they happened. And then also just the different ways to navigate Amazon. That's for more beginners, but just the different ways to really dig into niches and use the Amazon data that they provide us, and then also to just how to dig in and spy on competitors and see what they're selling, and just some more basic stuff there, and then spying on successful Facebook ads and Shopify stores. Now that one is pretty cool, and that's where they're generating demand. Facebook ads. So on Amazon we capture demand. And then Facebook ads and Shopify stores, they will either capture demand, but sometimes they're creating, like that's where new markets are getting created from social media. So that's why I talk about Pinterest, Etsy. This is more some of the ways to find markets earlier before they're proven on Amazon. And then, just find out when your competitors release a new product right away, or when new products that are being released within a market before it's blown up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this section. And if you have any more tips of ones that should be added in here, let me know and I will add them.